Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I will be showing you this Singapore 1987 third ship series $50 banknotes. Now before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. Now, the third ship series are normally issued around 1987 to 1999. And for this $50 notes, the size is 140 mm times 79 mm. And the printer for these notes is Thomas D. Leroux. So the overall design, there's actually two types. One is this light blue. Another type one is the dark blue. But for now, I'm going to just resume back explaining a few things about the notes. So since like for this, the prefix only exists for this design from A1 to B/73, and there is a few replacement notes Z/1, and there's also actually some of it with silver security thread prefix. And also things like there's actually an uncut sheet of 28 out there, only 100 sheet issue. Now, I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Also, please take note that the price here is in ringgit, not in Singapore dollar, in case any Singaporean are watching. Now, I'm also going to take a look at this one. So since like for this darker blue one is also have a same size 140 mm times 79 mm, and the printer is also Thomas D. Leroux. This one most likely came out around 1997. Signature on it also belong to Dr. Tsu Tau, also with silver security thread. I'll leave it at this for 10 seconds in case you want to check the price. Because as usual, I will say that this is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Just an estimate only. Now, based on this, which means there's actually three types. One is the normal one without any silver security thread. Another one is with security thread. And another one is a dark blue one with security thread. Unfortunately for me, I only have the normal one. In the future, if I ever came across, I will do a video to show it. So I probably will try to do a video on this one if I ever came across one. For now, I'll show you the one without security thread. If I can find one, I'll redo this video. This is how the notes look like. I'll go closer. Oh, here's the signature of Minister of Finance, Tsu Tau. Sorry if I pronounce the name wrongly. For these notes, the ship they use is coastal vessel. Alright, I'm going to turn it around. So, here's the printer name, Thomas D. Leroux Company Limited. And behind here, the design they use is the Benjamin Shearer's Bridge. Let me go closer. Turn it around. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.